Discover 10 jaw-dropping construction innovations that are truly on another level. From robotic tile layers to game-changing insulation and high-tech building systems, these groundbreaking inventions are transforming how we build faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. Introducing mechanical concrete, a game-changing tech that turns used tires into powerful construction tools. While places like Kuwait store up to 50 million scrap tires, this method gives them new life. By filling tire casings with stone, mechanical concrete creates ultra-strong support for roads, tripling load-bearing capacity. It also slashes road maintenance costs by 75% and practically eliminates issues like potholes, ruts, and erosion. It's not just for roads, it's perfect for parking lots, warehouse yards, and more. Stronger, cheaper, and eco-friendly mechanical concrete is turning tire waste into a construction win. Meet System 3E, a groundbreaking construction method using perlite blocks to build smarter and faster. With just 6 main components, it's nearly impossible to mess up, and wall construction is lightning fast. A 100 square meter home can go up in just 1 day. No glue, mortar, or water needed. Plus, you don't need heavy machinery, and costs stay in line with traditional building methods. It's no surprise, System 3E is being called the biggest innovation in construction in 100 years, already used in over 100 projects across Poland, Spain, the UK, and beyond. System 3E is the future of efficient building. Introducing Basetrac, the go-to solution in geotextiles for tough infrastructure jobs. Part of the non-woven range, Basetrac is perfect for runways, retaining walls, and road bases, handling separation, filtration, and drainage like a pro. It keeps crushed stone from mixing with soil, boosting the shear strength of your base layers. Made in Germany from polypropylene, polyester, or blended fibers, it's crafted using a needle-punching method for durability and performance. With customizable density and width options up to 5 meters, Basetrac Non-Woven is built for large-scale projects and delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Meet RF System, the expert in cable installation equipment for over 40 years. Starting with a simple cable plow, RF System has grown to offer a full range of gear, from basic plows to powerful chain systems that dig up to 1.5 meters deep and cover ground at 200 meters per hour. Their machines cut, compact, and lay cables even through frozen ground, making tough jobs faster and easier. Now part of Kinshofer, a global leader in loader and excavator attachments, RF System products are available worldwide, bringing reliable, high-performance solutions to cable-laying projects across the globe. Say hello to the DokaXbot Lift, a smart robotic helper designed to handle slab formwork lifting with ease. Created by the Doka team, this robot can lift components up to 5.7 meters high, taking the heavy lifting off workers' shoulders. Controlled remotely via tablet, the DokaXbot Lift speeds up the job and boosts on-site safety. Access is secured with an RFID card, preventing unauthorized use. It's all about reducing physical strain, increasing efficiency, and making construction safer and smarter. With DokaXbot Lift, formwork just got a high-tech upgrade. Meet the Steck-Box, the ultimate time saver for creating recesses in concrete ceilings and walls. These smart form boxes snap together like building blocks. No nuts, bolts, or tools needed. In just seconds, they're ready to install. With 36 versions available, Steck-Box is fully customizable for plumbing, heating pipes, and more. Just use a simple hole saw. Its mesh-like wall design grips the concrete perfectly, and best of all, the box stays in place after the pour, saving builders even more time on site. Fast, flexible, and efficient, Steck-Box makes construction a whole lot easier. Watch out, tile setters. The PavePal P900 is here to change the game. This tile-laying robot handles floors with incredible precision and speed, covering up to 18 square meters per hour. But it's not just about speed. The P900 uses advanced SLAM navigation and a special leveling system to ensure every tile is placed perfectly. It's already hard at work in major locations like airports, schools, and train stations, with over 20,000 square meters tiled and top-notch results that speak for themselves. If you're in flooring, the PavePal P900 is the future you need to see. Say hello to ThermaBead, a smart insulation solution made from polystyrene beads that's been trusted in the UK for over 30 years. It may look modern and innovative, but its long-lasting popularity proves it delivers real results. ThermaBead insulation can cut energy use by up to 30% and reduce heat loss by 70%, making homes more efficient and comfortable. Installation is simple. Just coin-sized holes and a special applicator gun. For apartments, the job's usually done in under a day, and the insulation lasts the life of the building. ThermaBead is efficient, easy, and built to last. Meet the InterQuip material Slinger, a powerhouse machine built for moving bulk materials fast and efficiently. Designed by InterQuip, it's one of the most powerful, precise, and maneuverable sling trucks out there. With a unique body that holds up to 9 cubic meters per load, it can launch materials as far as 43 meters. Perfect for everything from flood control to land reclamation, this beast handles it all: compost, sand, gravel, or minerals. Its full drive system and rugged tires make it unbeatable off-road. When it comes to heavy-duty material handling, the InterQuip Slinger leads the pack. Lastly, meet Silka Tempo, the time-saving solution for building strong, quiet homes. These large lime sand blocks make wall construction incredibly efficient. A two-person crew can complete 50 square meters in just one day. In this example, builders tackled a 300 square meters two-story house using a mini crane to move things even faster. It's their first time using Silka Tempo, but thanks to expert training from supplier Zella, they got started the very next day. With an impressive compressive strength of 20 MPa and excellent sound insulation, Silka Tempo is perfect for fast, solid, and peaceful construction. If these next-level construction innovations blew your mind, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more groundbreaking tech and building solutions that are reshaping the future, one invention at a time.